What's up, mini legends? This is Legend Gamer here, and today we are playing Jailbreak. This is actually my second video right now. I just realized I can't buy this. Why am I standing in front of this? As I said, we're playing Jailbreak, and we're on 10k away from 200, and we are gonna be able to try to get the 200k. If this gets 200, if I get 200k right here when I'm clicking right now, you guys have to get this to 30,000 likes if this gets famous. Like I said, get this to 30,000 likes, and I will do a server where I'll be giving out free cash, minimum 50,000, minimum 30,000. Since I can't get a Robux since I'm broke. So as I said, I'll just get onto the video. And that was it, the worst. Oh, you guys never saw, but I was playing a little bit because I'm stupid, like always. As I said, I was stupid. Oh, the police have entered the building, hasn't they? Oh, I don't have a key. When you realize I should actually take a police car. But no point. Okay, so as I said, I did not have a key card, which I did have before, but some dead camper cops jumped from the top and just bam, got me. So what else could we rob? I do not like robbing the museum. So yeah, I cannot rob the cargo since actually let's go ahead. Let's go. Okay, good. I'm not in my prisoner's costume. So I'm gonna see how much fuel I actually have. Oh, but if you guys can see, it's a little bit left. Yeah, I just used up all of it. I was actually gonna use that for the jumping to get in here, but I found another way. I think it should work. So we're gonna drift it. That was a worse drift. Just turn in and jump down and just go full speed with a drift up. Never mind. Who's here? Who is here? No, you're not there. I hear a cop. Mate, you ain't gonna kill me. Right? I hear a heli, but I don't seem to find it. Well, calm down. I am not who you think I am. I am, if you can see. Oh, it's just a prisoner in a freaking helicopter. Can we get that guy back here so I can shoot him down? Looks like I've lost him. Look at here. You guys can't hear it, but I feel like I hear. I just want a jetpack so bad right now. Tell me hacks of how to get into a door, and I will actually get you into a server by talking to you. And if you actually do, oh, the cargo is coming. If you actually do, I'll actually get you into a server and give you minimum 50,000. Since I am a nub at getting cards. Okay, if you could see, if I could even see, first of all. Oh, it should be coming through there. So if we zoom in a bit, not zoom in, zoom out, which you can't even do right now, which is great. Okay, so cargo, where are you? You can hear it so much. Okay, you can't. Oh, there it is. You guys can see it now. Damn, he's coming in fast. He's gonna hit me. Get hit. Boom. This guy breaks hard. This wouldn't be a normal player. He just automatically. So I'm just warning people if people want to come through. Oh, I don't have a keycard. Since I've done that, no one else is going to come in here. Sorry. I just checked the map. Yeah, no one's even here. Let's go. I'm the only one in here. I'm the only one in here. Let's just get a crate. That's all I want. If we get a keycard, that means I can get a double crate. So just a crate and open it, I get a key card, or I just get money. Oh, 6 minutes into the video. If I've been boring, and tell me ways to improve myself. Okay, first of all, oh! I am literally so lucky. I actually got a key card. First timer. Come on, come on, come on, before we get kicked out of this game. We're literally about to die. Okay, we are so high. That looks like the bank to me. If I just do a little bit of a skydive. Nope, that does not look like the bank to me. Oh, there's the bank. Just parachute to this Model 3. Ooh. Oh my god. That was a close one. They're going to be chasing me now. But they won't. It's a Model 3. Saffron, taste these blueberries. I'm not joking. They taste so good. Blueberries. Sorry for being AFK right now. I know we just missed like a minute. I've just went AFK. So if I was you, I would skip the video a bit. And as I said, we've got a keycard. I think the hack is. Shut up, you little star. I don't care. Can I try? Okay, guys, I'll be back. I just think someone just robbed my house. Okay, I am back, and my house got robbed. Okay, here we go. Let's go. Open this. Open. Jump. Jump. This is called a crow punch. I'm trying to punch something right now, and someone in the background is annoying me. I'm not even getting 1,000, not even 500. Yeah, I don't think my method's working. It was working before. Yeah, my method's pure not working. So, as I said, my house has got robbed. We are calling 999 right now, and I'm just want to calm down by place at Roblox. So we're grabbing some jewels. This doesn't even help me right now because I'm a prisoner. Oh my god, this guy's got a jetpack. He's so lucky. Oh, I hate cameras. This guy gets to jump over cameras. That's just not fair. Oh my god, I'm about to die. Oh, okay. I need to fix something. Yeah. Yeah. I need a jetpack, man. That's what I was saying. For a jetpack. A jetpack. Okay. When you move it, boom. Nope, that's not. It's not gonna work. When it moves, boom. Nope, it failed. Why am I not turning in? I'm about to die. Can I shoot down these cameras? Nope. Okay, I don't think we even have enough. Okay, when we get orange, we're gonna jump and run. Actually, a green. So I'll be back. Oh, shoot, we're 11 to the video. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back, and it's just been around 20 seconds since I paused the last video. This video. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but jump in this corner, and we're cool. Okay, please say there's nothing else. So we're gonna. Oh, damn. Oh, this guy jumped from. This guy came through. Oh, damn. This guy. Oh, I just jumped through without even knowing. Like, where to now? Museum KK. What? Can I actually spawn a car here? That'd be so cool. Oh! Guys, that's how you get a car. Oh, bouncy, bouncy. And my sister just laughs in the background. Oh my god, I thought I could break the trees, but I can't.
Baby sister.
Shush now.
No.
Yes, she will not shut up.
No.
Oh, 2,000 cash.
No.
By the way, I got no views. If I do more, if I do more videos, I can clearly get more, so many views.
And then you'll have more money afterwards.
So even though my name, even if my name's Legend Gamer, I will actually do some funny videos and that stuff. Like,
Your name isn't Legend Gamer?
Like,
I'm joking.
oh my god, this guy just, this guy just ran to my Porsche. So we've got a key card. Since we can run into this, I need some company. So oh, we've got 1 minute, so I'll be back when I get a thing, if you know what. Okay, guys, I officially just died, so we'll just be doing so. As I said, comment down below. As I said, if I actually even can get out, we'll be just doing some stunts and doing some things. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am back. So I've seen this little video ages ago. I've wondered if it still works. So if you guys are in a crib or even here and you've wanted to escape and you go in between, oh yeah, I just realized I need a key card. Okay, guys, I'll be back for 1 second. Okay, guys, I have failed trying to get out. So, as I said, people, I am out, and I officially tried. This guy, he might be dumb and tries to open this door. So, I'll actually try. So, as I said, I am Legend Gamer, your mini legend, and I am out.